Addict ako sa pornography. Addict ako sa pornography. Nung lumalaki ako, ang pornography noon, mahirap ha? Ang pornography noon, magazine. At ang magazine, ako, nakatago yan sa kung saan sulok ng bahay namin. Kung saan ko kinuha yan. Sa kaibigan ko, sa mga kamag-anak ko.
Dikit-dikit ba, Kuya Kim, yung magazine mo?
Dikit-dikit, siyempre. Halos hindi mo na matigas na, Brad. Parang may gawgaw. Oo. At gamit na gamit. Because I was a porn addict. And I grew up thinking that porn was part and parcel of life.
Yes.
I thought it was normal.
Yes.
Up until I got married. And I realized that I was so dependent on porn, I could not function as a male without porn. Di ba sabi nila, porn will enhance your sexuality? That's wrong. That's a misconception. That is a deception. Porn will distort and will eat up your sexuality until you're dependent on porn and porn alone. Wala ka ng pagmamahal at pagnanasa sa misis mo. Habang nakikisiping ka sa misis mo, ang iniisip mo yung porn star. Kasi hindi ka na makafunction nang walang porn.
Mismo.
Tama ba yun? Kung alam lamang ng misis mo kung anong nasa utak mo habang nagsisiping kayo, baka maghiwalay kayo.
Mismo.
Because you cannot function. Because you've become so dependent on porn.
Mismo.
Bro, when I became born again, yung baptism day namin, sinabi sa amin, submit the things that give you bondage. Kung addict ka sa drugs o addict ka sa sigarilyo,